NCM Learning Center. Good morning friends. In this video, I am going to explain about counting number of figures concepts. In these concepts, we will discuss a shortcut and tricks for counting the number of square box, rectangle box, triangle box and parallelogram. For example, in this given figure, our objective is to count the number of square box. Each cell in the given figure is square box. We have to count the number of square box. It will be very difficult to count, but if you know the shortcut and tricks, you can give answers very quickly. First, we will discuss counting number of square box in the given figure. This is a question. We have to find the number of square box. Definitely, it will take very long time without knowing the tricks. If you remember these tricks, you can solve this problem very quickly. First step, we have to mark the number of row and column numbers. So this is the first step. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of columns are there, and rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we go to mark the row and column number. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is the sum of product is the number of square box. Sum of product means first we go to product, the bottom end. Okay, 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Then we go to summation of the product, 4 into 4. Next end 4 into 4. So plus 4 into 4 plus next 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, this is the number of square box. You go to start from the end and finally you go to stop at initial end. Okay, here 5 into 5 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 55. In this given figure, 55 number of square box are available. Okay, an easiest approach. Next we will solve the problem. The question is, we have to find the square box. Each cell in the given box is square box. Okay, use the tricks. The step 1, you have to mark the number of row and column numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there, and rows 1, 2, 3 rows are there. Okay, then we have to multiply sum of product. Sum of product from the end. So 3 into 5, 15 plus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3. This is the answers. So 3 into 5 15 plus 2 into 4 8 plus 1 into 3 3 is equal to 26. In this given figure, 26 number of square boxes are available. Okay, next we will discuss shortcut tricks for counting number of rectangle box. Let us take a questions. This question is asked in GATE 2016 Trivia Department examination in the aptitude section. Okay, in this question, objective is to find the number of rectangle box. Cell in the given figure is rectangle. Try without knowing the tricks. Definitely the answer will be a different one and it will take long time. Okay, so the shortcut tricks is, first mark the number of row and column numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 number of columns and rows 1 and 2. First step over. Second step is sum of row and column boxes. This is product of sum. First we go to find the sum, then we will for product. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Summation. Here in the row side, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Sum is over. Then you go to product. The product, the resultant value. You will get 3 into 10 is equal to 30 number of rectangle boxes are available. Okay, remember these concepts. For the counting the number of square, we go to find the sum of product. First we go to find the product, then sum. But for counting the number of rectangle box, product of sum, we go to first find the summation, then product. Okay, next problems. Here find number of rectangle box in the given figure. This figure is not a matrix form, so somewhat it will be difficult one. So first find the number of rectangle box in the matrix format. This is matrix regular shape. Okay, this is irregular. This is matrix format. So first find the number of rectangle box available in the matrix form by applying the tricks. Based on the tricks, first mark the number of row and column numbers. 1 2 3 4 column numbers, 1 2 3 4 row numbers. Then product of sum. First find the summation. Summation of row and column values. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Similarly, in the column row side, 1 plus 2 3 plus is equal to 10. Find the product of the resultant value. 10 into 10, 100 number of rectangle box available in the matrix form. Next, find the number of rectangle box available in the non-matrix. Here, non-matrix means this one, this one, this. Only 4 rectangle box available in the non-matrix form. Okay. Third step, count the number of rectangle boxes additionally available when we combine the non-matrix form with the matrix form. When we combine the non-matrix form with the matrix form, there is no additional rectangle boxes. So, number of rectangle boxes is in the combined matrix and non-matrix is equal to 0. So, total number of rectangle boxes is equal to 100 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 104. Okay, now we will discuss counting number of triangle. The first case is if the triangle within the triangle. For example, let us take this problem. Our objective is to find the number of triangle available in the figure. Here, the triangle is within the triangle. Okay. So the tricks is first step we go to mark the base number 1, 2. Second, summation of this value is equal to the number of triangle. So the summation is 3. So 3 number of triangle is available in the given figure. It is a shortcuts. Okay. Only sum. Let us solve another problem. We have to find the number of triangle available in the figure. So based on the tricks, first mark the number on the face. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 number of bases are there. So this is summation. The number of triangle is summation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 10 number of triangles available in the given figure. Okay. The second case is triangle within the rectangle box. Let us take a problem. Here, this is a rectangle box. Triangle is available within the rectangle box. We have to count this. The trick is first we have to mark the base, mark the number on the triangle base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bases are there. Then the number of triangle is the product of number 2 with the maximum number in the box. You have to remember this formula. Okay. Here maximum number in the box is 4. So the number of triangle is 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Number of triangle in the rectangle box is 8. Okay. This is shortcut tricks. Then counting number of parallelogram. Parallelogram is this shape. Okay. Let's take a problem. In this figure, we got to find the number of parallelogram. Remember these tricks. The first step, mark the row number and column number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of columns are there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of rows are there. Okay. The concept is if any two parallel line, any row line, if any two row line and any two column line combined, it will create a parallelogram. Any lines from the total row, any two lines from the total row and any two lines from total columns create a parallelogram. So the formula is 5C2 into 5C2. 5 means here 5 number of rows are there. In the total number of rows, any 2 rows, and the total number of columns, any 2 values from total number of columns. Okay. Generally, the number of parallelogram is defined as the NC2 into MC2, where N means number of row lines M means number of column lines. Okay. Permutation computation formula. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, this you have to remember this formula. Let us solve a problem. A set of 4 line intersect with another set of 5 parallel line. How many parallelograms are formed? This question is asked in GATE 2018 instrumentation aptitude sections. Okay. So let me take number of row is equal to 4 and number of column line is 5. We may take any values. Okay. We may take number of row is equal to 5 and number of columns is equal to 4. We may consider any one. Okay. So apply this formula for this number of parallelogram is equal to out of 4 we need 2 and out of 5 we need 2 for creation of parallelogram. So 4 into C2 into 5 into C2. Okay, the value of 4 C2 is equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. The 4 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 factorial means 1 into 2. Simplify this equation, we will get 6. The value of 4 C2 is equal to 6. Similarly, for the value of 5 C2 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 3 factorial. Answer will be 10. So the number of parallelogram is equal to 6 into 10 is equal to 60. This is the concepts. Now do it yourself. Here I listed 4 questions. This question is only for you. Try and comment your answers. I will give my answers. Okay. Maybe my answer may be a wrong one. Okay. If you get mismatch answers with me, just comment. Dear friends, I already created the NCM Learning Center WhatsApp group. Just join. If you have any doubt, post on that group. Definitely I will clarify your doubts as a PDF or any other format. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.